Portuguese were here more than 100 years, I believe.
451 years.
18th June Road.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Got like a concave, like area which has a lot of sweets and savories. Go down, it can be a bit slippery.
Yeah. So today our tour is in Panjim city.
And then we will go to the very famous market area, the Mapsa market.
Yeah.
Which,
so we're going to start with
the Panjim Church Square.
Panjim Church Square.
Yeah. Now
Look
this
like
is
a very old church.
This is the church, which is dedicated to the Immaculate Conception. It's basically from, be careful. It's basically from the 17th century, that is the 1600. It started.
Okay.
And as I said, yeah. And the approach to it, the what do you call? The stairs were added much later.
Ah, okay.
Be careful, be careful. It's supposed to be replicated on the same lines of the Church of Jesus, which is in Portugal. Yeah. Yeah, we will go here.
Hello.
Woo! Heavy, yeah? Rain is getting a bit heavy.
So today our 4th day, right? All 4 days it rained.
Yeah, today I think it's going to be a rainy day.
Yeah.
Yeah, this street, in front of the church is called the 18 June Road. And it's called the 18 June Road because it was on the 18th of June, 1946, that what we would call the modern movement for the freedom or liberation of Goa started on a very serious note. So to mark or commemorate that, it was referred to or named as the 18 June Road.
Ah,
This is
okay.
where yesterday we were buying the cashew nuts and all
Yeah.
on the same road. Yeah.
18th June Road.
Yes.
We'll walk up. Are we going to church?
No, we can't. The church is always closed.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll walk to the older part of the city.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go down.
So we'll go down.
Yeah.
Church.
Later there will be quite a crowd here. Yeah. That's why Irfan was saying we'll go to the market. I said no, we'll start from here because later there'll be a crowd here.
Rickshaw. Very few rickshaws in Goa. Mostly using cars in taxi.
Let's cut across afterwards. Yeah, let's go in the car. Otherwise it may be too wet. Let's go in the car. Come, we'll walk from that side. It's interesting.
You know, Oh, two friends, how are you?
They're sleeping.
Global to local.
Yeah.
5.
Just watch your step, huh?
Oh, this is nice.
Some of the local veggies.
So,
I mean, the other bazaar is on the other side, but this is for the convenience of the people residing over here. Like, yeah,
you can keep talking, Maria.
yeah, I know
Voice,
that.
I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
watch this later.
Yeah.
Now,
So, yeah. So here, no, most of the people are living are Catholics, and you will notice that the names are very Portuguese. It is because when the locals were converted into Christianity,
Super,
they had
super
to take
heavy
Portuguese
rain now.
names.
there won't be flood and all because we are very close to sea.
Now this bakery is called 31st January Bakery.
Which
and
one?
This one. It's a bakery inside. The entrance is over there. And it's been almost 75 years when they've come up.
75 years?
Yeah. Now this tile work that you see on the tables, you know, is a copy of the works of a local self-taught cartoonist by the name of Mario Miranda. Yesterday, you remember when we had gone to the house,
Yeah.
the lady showed you a photograph, I mean the gentleman showed us a photograph and he said, this is Mario Miranda, who's a relative of the house, that gentleman. So
okay.
he's passed away. He was a very good self-taught cartoonist. He used to do caricatures in Times of India and all these Indian newspapers. And then he went and started having his, not exhibition, but you know, he started painting all over the world. So these tiles are copies of his works as such, of Mario Miranda. And this is a local bakery which has not only the local, like, you know, snacks and savories, but a lot of the local desserts, which as you know are mostly coconut based. So you want to go in?
Absolutely.
We'll leave our umbrellas out, because
Yeah.
otherwise they'll have wet.
Leave it like this, right?
Yeah, it's okay. Only thing, I hope the rain doesn't come.
Locals here, is it okay?
Yeah, pull. Morning.
Hello. Oh,
So this is like morning.
hello. Oh,
So this is like, as I said, the local cafeteria, which has a lot of like, you know, sweets and savories, which are Portuguese influenced and
Yeah.
local. So this is what we call dos. It's made out of chickpea, you know, chole, chickpeas.
Chickpeas,
Yeah,
okay.
chickpeas and sugar. And it's like halwa they make, and you know.
sir, can
stir
we
and
get some tea? Order some tea, coffee.
Okay,
So,
fine. And then this
we
is
can entertain them also.
pastillas de nata, which is
Can we
actually
give
a
us tea?
Portuguese
Theme.
pie. And then this is called bol, which is with jaggery, the coconut jaggery. Today, when we go to the Mapsa market, I'll show you the coconut jaggery.
Okay.
So this is the jaggery, and then of course these are all the various patties.
Pastries, yeah.
And this is rijoish, which is again Portuguese influenced snack, which is made with prawns. Usually
Okay.
with prawns.
Can we have some?
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try.
This is what?
What?
This side.
These are all their
here.
just a sitting area. Like,
Okay.
yeah. And I told you about Konkani written with the Hindi, or I'm sorry, with the Roman script, no? So this is about the lady, Gleta,
Okay.
who is now the owner. And this is a write-up of her in Konkani, but with the Roman or the Latin script. Otherwise, Konkani is always with the Hindi or the Devanagari script, yeah.
Okay. So, and the other area, just sitting area here.
Yeah, sitting area.
Wow, very.
Dodol is again, yeah, that is again made out of rice flour coconut milk and jaggery. That coconut jaggery, which I will show you when we go to and you stir it and stir it and stir it, and it can take a couple of hours
This
depending on the
structure must be
quantity
very
you
old,
make.
yeah?
Sorry.
This building?
Yeah, this is basically the bakery itself is from 1930s. Yeah.
So the doll is Portuguese.
No, it is Goan. It is Goan. Portuguese is mainly this pastéis de Natal, then bolo sans real.
Yeah.
These are more serradura. Bibinka you tried yesterday.
ये ब्रेड तो आप लोग को इधर ही बनाता है
What is that?
I didn't get you. I didn't get him.
I think
Sorry.
it's complimentary.
No, no. Nobody gives anything complimentary now.
That's fine.
This
Let's
is
taste.
like made from guava. We call it perad.
So what
Yeah.
meat inside? There's some meat.
No, I'll ask him what it is. Chicken, maybe.
But it's nice, huh? Yeah.
What happened?
Keep it here. Why are you holding?
I basically want to see inside.
I can show it to you from here. So that's the firewood oven.
Yeah. उधर आ सकते हैं क्या उस तरफ 2 मिनट के लिए? हाँ?
Data's there. That's the fired oven where they do all
Okay.
their baking. Yeah.
So this oven since 1950.
30.
30. Wow, very nice. वो बाइक उधर क्यों हुई?
That was the bicycle that they used to sell the breads. If you find it
In
on the
1930s.
farm. From then onwards, even now they have it.
Okay.
Breads are always sold on
With
the
the,
side.
with the noise, yeah?
In the villages and all, many of them would come with
I
huge.
also want to taste this one.
No,
roll.
this
Yeah.
is a pan roll actually, a regular pan roll. This is a richois,
Yeah.
prawns richois.
So prawns give us 3 pieces.
No, not for me. I'm
Not.
I
Okay.
had breakfast. I'm full.
2.
No, no, no.
Only 1. Okay, one please.
One resort.
Yeah.
No, tandoor do you want?
Panor you want?
Yeah.
And tandoor.
Yeah, can we just take one?
Do you want to have the custard filled tart, the nata?
Yes, please. One, please.
One of those. This is
You're right.
Portuguese. No, I'm fine. I'm honestly full. Otherwise, I wouldn't make a fuss.
Yeah, we are also
Yeah.
full, but
Yeah. This is the Goa poi we ate yesterday for lunch. Yeah, the same one.
like
You want to take this one?
it's creamy, very tasty.
Have you tried this one? Have you tried this one?
So this is what Goan style or
Go on now.
Portuguese style?
Yeah. For weddings and all, we
Blend of
serve it
both,
as
okay.
starters.
Recipes are
It's usually starters.
Hmm.
What is it?
It's entirely different to normal pancake.
Yeah.
Different taste. It's very tasty.
It's a pan fried this
You
roll.
put cheese also in this.
Yeah, yeah.
cheese and chicken.
Cheese and chicken, yeah.
Risotto was the prawn.
And what is coming? Okay.
Cakes, the normal cakes. That is the normal Swiss roll. As we call
But
it.
you don't get it elsewhere.
Yeah.
Only here.
Can we have one piece? One piece.
One.
We have to try.
To try.
You want to take this one? The
No.
one yesterday? But it's soft, huh?
Yeah, it's very fresh. Their stuff is very, very fresh.
You can use it. Spoon if you want. What is this? That's a pastéis nata. It's a custard filled tart.
So you open from what time to what time?
8 in the morning to 8 p.m.
24/7. No,
12 hours. About
Sundays is 12 hours, yes.
12 hours.
Sunday. Oh, Sunday you're closed. Oh, that's nice. So you have 1 day holiday.
One day a day. of-
They need it, no?
Hmm. It's very fresh, very tasty. Maybe also that oven, making your
Yeah,
Yes,
because
very tasty.
It's a firewood oven.
firewood oven.
Firewood,
no?
yeah.
It's not
The person who's
electrical.
there, he knows what temperature, what should go in first. You can't put everything together. So
Okay.
the mornings the savories go in.
Hmm.
Then the next will be the cookies, the breads, the cakes, and by the end of it only, we can put the others go in sweet items.
Okay.
To gauge the temperature because we don't have anything, digital.
Correct.
So
It's
we
all
use-
experience, yeah.
All experience, yeah.
How much our bill? You just taste, no? You don't carry.
Not in the inside.
No need. Just taste and give it.
Priya, please have
I'll have a bit.
Yeah.
Can we have a spoon? Here
Yeah.
there's a fork.
Okay.
Give me some change so you can have.
Huh?
You have some change.
How much is it?
That's fine. You can keep.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No.
You keep in this.
Wait, I have.
You keep in this
I
building
have.
for this many years. Great
Okay,
thing.
then I'll have the smaller one.
So
I
I
have.
really wish you to keep, many more years, many more generation.
Thank you so
How
much.
much is it?
We got. I paid.
140.
I paid.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Let's go. Thank you so much then.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, finish
Where
it.
you got it?
Finish
Oh,
it. Yet to finish. Have you had a slice of bibinka?
We tried yesterday.
yesterday I tried it.
No, not dodol. Yeah, give the lady a piece of dodol. Bibinka we tried yesterday.
See their ventilation system.
Yeah.
Those holes.
Yeah, all the old houses are like that. And
Yeah.
in between, you notice, you can see like this flat and there is a gap there.
Yeah.
That is where they keep pieces of glass.
Ah,
So that the
correct,
sunlight
correct.
comes in and it's
Yeah.
not too dark. Now here you won't see, but further up,
Hmm.
at the point where the four sides of the roof are meeting, there would
Yeah.
be like a little open gap. So to keep it, cover it and to make it look more decorative, you will see they have like cockerels, they have sometimes an old, I wouldn't say drum, but like an old container. And then they have a soldier, different ornamental terracotta pieces to decorate. We will see as we walk further up.
Okay.
So this area is called Fontainebleau because at the end of the ward as such, there is a spring there, still there. And in the olden days, in case there was a shortage of drinking water or anything, then people would go all the way to the spring to get fresh drinking water. So that's
Okay.
why it's called Fontainebleau, meaning the area of
Fontaine.
the fountain.
Okay.
Yeah, but because it's also very, what you would say, very European, not really Indian or Goan, they have called it, the locals then started referring to it as the Latin quarters. So sometimes you hear this being referred to as the Latin quarters, or sometimes it is called, by the actual name, that is Fontainebleau. Yeah.
This is absolutely amazing, I remember in my young time, I seen this kind of roof in many places. But later, they convert to concrete.
Many, like
See-
nowadays, modern houses are going for concrete. At least these are what we call the flat mangrove tiles. In the villages, you can see that part of the roof which has got like a concave,
Yeah.
like a semicircle.
Yeah.
Those were the old Goa tiles. So when the placing was done,
Ah, okay.
it was 2 rows of them like this, facing upwards. And the
Yeah.
third row would cover the joint. And there would be a little gap between the tiles. But the only drawback of having the old Goan tiles was that before the onset of the monsoons, in the hot month of May, people had to go on the rooftop, remove every tile individually and dust it off, clean it, so that if there was leaves caught, dust caught, it would not block the flow of the water. Because otherwise, if you had not cleansed it, there was every possibility that the water, instead of flowing out, would flow back into the house.
Correct.
So that's why people have mostly got rid of the old Goa tiles and put these flat ones that we call or refer to as the mangrove tiles.
Oh, so originally
A lot of the houses, not all, had those. Maybe in
Okay.
the villages we'll still see some one or two later. I will show you. Okay.
I think we got our coffee.
Yeah. It's come. Yeah, I'm coming. Coming.
We definitely
You
need
go in. You go in.
little sip. Let's see the coffee.
Tea.
Tea.
Okay.
Okay.
Never mind. Thank you.
What tea is this?
Masala chai.
Okay.
Regular chai.
Okay.
We do have other teas as well and coffees as well.
No, that's
No.
it's fine.
That's fine. You tasted the dodol? This is, the Goan dessert which I told you is made of rice
to
flour,
try this one.
jaggery. That's wine biscuits, right? Yeah.
Yeah. We also have this one. Even dodol we have.
Ah, you all have in Sri Lanka. Yeah, Portuguese were there, no? No
Yeah.
wonder.
That's a coconut macaroon.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka has a blend of both.
Yes,
South-
yes, exactly.
How oftenly you get maintenance here?
Well, we had to, for after long many years, we could shut down for a month, but then it was really tough
Yeah.
because you can't keep it shut as well. So
Yeah.
what we did is the neighbor's room.
Okay.
We had to shift it there,
Yeah.
But it was very cramped and it was only in the corridor.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So we can't think of doing any renovation kind of a thing because 8 to 8. So the only time left is 8 p.m. to 8 in the morning. So
Correct.
then the workers at that time, it's not
And that
possible.
oven is the most important one.
Yes.
He's put in something. I think cake. Can you give me clip inside?
How do I do it?
Just move slowly. Camera is on. Camera and mic both on. Such a small place here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So you make this bag from the flower bags? You make
No,
this
no,
bag?
no, no.
Ah,
They're
you-
jute bags.
Jute bags.
Tea is nice.
I cannot drink it, it's hot.
You're not used to having.
Can you please?
Or put it in a takeaway
Yes,
cup.
please.
Yeah, better takeaway cup.
Because I cannot drink.
No, take your time.
This
You
is-
put in a takeaway cup.
You
Yeah.
will get many things to eat, just taste only. So you go to some other place again.
Exactly.
Eat. Tea also just sip and taste.
It's good we are here and it's raining and we are early. Later, no, it gets very busy.
Very busy. Yeah.
There'll be like crowds.
Hmm.
Let's
Should I put this in a takeaway to you?
No, it's fine, it's fine. They just want to taste everything, that's all.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Any umbrella? Let's pick.
Here. Confe.
Ah, you pick-
Confeitaria means confectionery in Portuguese.
I have to change this way because I have to change the umbrella because some water dripping.
As I told you, on the top of the roof houses, this is the decorative pieces that you can see. And the cockerel
okay.
or the rooster is there because it was the national bird of Portugal, right? Of one county, not entire
Which one is the
Portugal.
national bird of Portugal?
Portugal, yeah. The
Which-
rooster,
Rooster. Okay.
the cockerel. Now, all Goan houses, no, in
because
the
some
olden
water
days,
dripping.
had
any-
this sit out that we call balcão.
Yeah.
or balcony, of course, in English. And these balcons were basically the unofficial points where, you know, like the vendors would come and display their like goods if they were coming, selling, whatever. And it could also be the place where you had acquaintances, not really good friends. You didn't want to accommodate them or entertain them. They would be seated here and, you know, strike up your conversation and entertain them as such.
This
No.
same in Sri Lanka.
Yeah,
This also.
yeah. Portuguese, no? So
Yeah.
naturally.
One part of Sri Lanka, yes.
Okay, okay. Now, this being the city, and this developed only after the epidemic in 1835. So it's like the middle of the 19th century area. And you know, in those days, in the cities of Panjim, like main cities, they literally had color coding for the houses. And the colors were only 4. Because that time, the paints was nothing else but what we call chuna. Chuna is lime.
Lime.
In all shells which are roasted, put in clints, then they are pounded, then they are sheaved, and the fine powder is mixed with water and used as a whitewash, as we call it. Now, the red or the terracotta would be got from mixing a special soil called kavi. Okay?
Kavi.
Kavi. And then the yellow would be from adding turmeric or kurkuma. Haldi, as the Indians call it. And the blue was mainly with the indigo. And it seems in the olden days, in the cities, when they wanted to demarcate like this structure is specifically used for this purpose, everything that was religious was mostly white or blue and white. Anything that was residential was terracotta or terracotta and white. And everything that had to do with administration or you know, government or offices and all was yellow and white. Yeah. Now, there's no help or assistance from the state or the government, although this is a heritage area. So that is why a lot of the homes have been converted into homestays or guest houses or little eateries and all that. Yeah.
But it's still, you know, good to see people maintaining it.
Yeah, yeah. Now, if you stand here and look right on the top, that used to be the old building of the judiciary, the courthouse, right on the top.
Oh, that.
Yeah, the yellow and the white. And now, of course, the courthouse has been shifted to a new location. And the Goa judiciary is called the Goa bench under the under the Bombay High Court. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Here I would like you to have a look at the window panes. The windows here are out of wood, you know, strips of wood. In that, what is fitted, the white bit, is an opaque shell. It's an oyster shell. The actual name is Placenta placuna, but because they make window panes out of it, we also regularly call it as the pane oysters.
Paint oyster.
Pane, P-A-N-E, pane oysters.
Pane, yeah?
Pane, yeah. And you know, in the olden days, as I told you, they used to control the temperatures of the houses, one by the thick walls, two high ceilings, and third windows like this. So that if the sun was shining from a particular direction, you could shut that window, so you would have light filtered in, but not the heat. So in
Correct.
this way, they would regulate the temperatures in the homes. Yeah.
So they deal with Mother Nature, and we are
Yes.
going to again.
Yes, exactly. We are supposed to be progressing, but I think we are regressing.
Correct.
Now, this is an example of the wells. Like yesterday in the
Wow.
house, we saw they have their individual wells. Sometimes in a village, like a small bit of it would share one common well like this. Now we have the government water supply, of course, the piped water, but many villages and all still have these old well system. Be careful, huh? If you go down, it can be a bit slippery.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Barista. What is barista?
It's a chain of cafes. Barista
Oh, the
chain.
same cafe.
Yeah, you have
Barista cafe.
Yeah, barista cafe.
Okay.
You
I
have
thought some meaning to it.
no,
you know.
no. Cafe, coffee day. You have,
Huh?
all these. Like
No,
how
I
you,
mean, one word will have different meaning in different languages.
yeah, exactly. But no, this is the chain of the cafes.
Cafe.
Yeah. So this is the chapel of Saint Sebastian.
क्या बेचता है?
Sebastian, as they would say in Konkani. It's a chapel, yeah. When we walk down, you'll get the proper.
Oh, okay. Why he parked this like this?
Maybe he's come to take something.
Okay.
I think so. Come to collect something.
So these are maybe bike parks, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to drink coffee? Camera? Okay.
You're talking together. I'll focus on what you're saying.
Camera, don't turn it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. It's a rainy day.
Yeah.
I don't have this in Dubai.
So rainy days, you know what we used to do? We used to put some beer, something in a teacup and then enjoy.
Oh ho.
We can do that even now. No one will realize we are having beer.
Yeah, they'll think you're having your chai.
Keep up, camera.
Be careful. You think
Nice city tour.
all to ourselves almost because of the rain. Yesterday I had explained to you about the Hindu houses having the tulsi, no? So you can
Coffee
see
shop.
the example here of that like little pedestal and then the pink lotus, and on the top you have the Indian basil plant that we call the tulsi. It's the holy plant for the Hindus. So normally the ladies of the house will wake up in the morning, have a shower or have a bath, and then they will do the puja or the prayer in front of the tulsi, and that will like begin the day's sort of work. And we had Diwali some time ago, few days ago, and on the 14th day after that Diwali, they have another Diwali they call Badi Diwali, and that marks or heralds the beginning of the wedding season for the Hindus, like the most auspicious time for the Hindus. Yeah.
Panjimin.
Yeah, Panjamin, yeah. This is one of the the heritage
They converted to
hotels.
guest house, yeah?
Yeah. Panjamin.
Oh,
I
Irfan.
know he's there. I saw him. Yeah. So this is all it. And this is the Panjamin guest house. Yeah. And then it continues further up. At the end of this road is where the fountain is, Fontainhas. That's why it is
And,
called that. Yeah.
Portuguese were here more than 100 years, I believe.
451 years, 1510 to 1961.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, they were like this became the main hub, the main city after the epidemic in 1835. When I told you Old Goa was affected with the epidemic, they shifted here. So this was already a small fishing ward, a fishing town, but it developed as the main capital city after the 1800s.
Okay.
Or during the 1800s. 1843, it became the official capital, this one. And that time it was referred to as Nova Siddharth, the new city. Then in between it is also referred to as Siddharth de Goa or City of Goa. And now it is called Panaji.
Panaji.
Yeah, Painjin was the Portuguese name for it. Painjin. Yeah.
450 years, basically about more than 10 generation.
Yeah.
What, 20 generation?
Yeah, more than that. Yeah.
So, original Goan, maybe, all fluent in Portuguese language.
The older generation, but not everybody, especially people from the upper middle classes and the upper classes,
Okay.
because they were more in I won't say cahoots, but more in a friendlier relationship for business, for work and all with the Portuguese. The overall general public, they refuse to speak the language as a sign of showing their defiance. Like, we don't want you, so we're not going to learn your language. So the
Okay.
general public, not many people spoke or continue speaking Portuguese, but the upper classes, the upper middle classes, yes, most of them did. But now barely 10% of the population speak Portuguese.
Okay. And after this, where are we going?
We are going to the market now.
Market. See you
Yeah.
from the market then.
Yeah.
Cut.